What's up guys, I'm Sheldon, welcome to the vlog. As you know, this channel is about promoting Port Elizabeth in South Africa, and part of that is just the beautiful landscapes and everything we are. This is the Gamtoos river, right over here, and yeah, I decided I'll make a vlog of it, so enjoy.
Wait, what?
What's up guys? Today we took a long drive through, okay, I'm so bad with geography. All I know is that we left Port Elizabeth. Here's the bay. Okay, the bay. We basically went inland and towards the Western Cape. I nearly saw my backside a couple of times. As you can see, the weather is super overcast, and yeah, that obviously means dirt roads are very slippery. I haven't fallen off yet, but there have been 3 very close calls. Yeah, that's all I'll say for now. We're gonna go fishing and I will show you the photos and keep you updated with regards to how today goes, but for now I'll show you how beautiful it is up here. Let's mission. This is the Gamtoos Valley, hey?
Yeah.
That's it. Where they grow oranges, that's what those things are. Yeah, this is a little detour. And as expected, I've had a few more close calls, but I'm still alive. Only got dirty pants. Yeah. Look at that rock face over there. Very beautiful. Yeah. So where are we going to drive now? We're going to drive down this road, and then go up and then come all the way along that rocky road on there.
Yeah.
Sweet, and then we're going to fish over there. It is currently 10 past 10. We've got another 30 minutes down that road. Then we need to make a fire. We just arrived at our fishing spot and we traveled over like the worst terrain ever.
Oh. There we go.
I'm not in a good mood, I just need a beer. Yeah, and then we're gonna fish. Here's our spot. So, I don't know if you can see it, but there's a fire behind me, and that is true because my eyes are watering and there's smoke. Yeah, we're going to cook boerewors and put it in rolls. I know that's so creative, but dude, it's gonna do because I'm so hungry. Yeah, now we just wait for the coals to form. We're gonna jump in the lake. We're also gonna do some fishing. Obviously, that's what we came here for. But food is quite important right now. I'm sorry, just food. Yes. So it's called if you've seen in one of my vlogs before, our trip to Van Stadens, boerboers on a stick. And yeah, then we just, yo, the smoke. There we are. Nou is dit tyd om te swem. The reason I wanted to make this vlog was because I believe that South Africa is a really beautiful place and it's got lots of like stunning scenery. So you know, we went on this bike ride to catch fish and park off and you know, just make a fire out of wood that's in the surrounding area. But I decided, you know what, I want to make a vlog about it so that I can show you guys just, you know, what it's like, the route to the Gamtoos river from Port Elizabeth. I really hope that you enjoyed the vlog, and yeah, I will see you next week for another weekly vlog. Cheers guys.